Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this seasonal cocktail. It's a Mezcal Apple Cider Margarita. Super tasty and refreshing cocktail. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you, as well as links for some of my products. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need mezcal, orange liqueur, apple cider, and fresh lime juice. Alright, I'm going to start by rimming the glass with cinnamon sugar. Ice into a mixing glass. 1.5 ounces of apple cider. Three-quarters of an ounce of fresh lime juice. Half ounce of orange liqueur. And 2 ounces of mezcal. And we're ready to shake it. Fresh ice into the glass. We're gonna strain it. And we're ready to garnish. Alright, time for a taste test. Cheers! I can definitely taste the smoky flavor from the mezcal and some notes of the apple cider. It's light, refreshing, and that cinnamon sugar rim helps it balance. I'll give it 8.5 out of 10. And that's how you make the Mezcal Apple Cider Margarita. Alright, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, until the next one, cheers!